pleasant evening in the month of June, as I was sitting with my glass and spoon. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. Tooraloo, tooraloo-lay, tooraloo, tooraloo-lay. A small bird sat on an ivy bunch, and the song he sang was the jug of punch. What more diversion can a man desire than to sit him down by a snug turf fire? Upon his knee a pretty wench, aye, and on the table a jug of punch. Tooraloo, tooraloo-lay, tooraloo, tooraloo-lay. Upon his knee a pretty wench, aye, and on the table a jug of punch. Let the doctors come with all their heart, they'll make no impression upon my heart. Even the cripple forgets his punch when he's snug outside of a jug of punch. And tooraloo, tooraloo-lay, tooraloo, tooraloo-lay. Even the cripple forgets his hunch when he's snug outside of a jug of punch. And if I get drunk, well, the money's me own, and them don't like me, they can leave me alone.
Tell him, Paddy.
I'll tune me fiddle, and I'll rosin me bow, and I'll be welcome wherever I go.